Barbecue Boards is adding to the Recteq product offerings. Right here we've got the barbecue board trio. Will be sold as a set of 3. Has your front shelf, gigantic, all walnut, 1.5 inch thick, 31-inch long, stainless steel handles. Your 18-inch by 15-inch reversible barbecue board. 2 screws on both sides. Finger grooves to easily pick and move. It extends your shelf on the side of a Recteq, which makes it that much more functional. You've got your favorite rubs, barbecue sauce, cold beverage rub rack right here, which fits perfectly on top of your pellet bin. Everything will be available on the website, www.barbecueboards.store. Everything's in stock. Ships in 1 to 3 days.